Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Epic Scenes 99.
Yeah. എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം? അത് മാത്രം എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും സേഫ് ഓൺ സൗണ്ട് ആണ്. മലയാളം സംസാരിക്കേണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന കുറച്ചുകൂടി വേറെ അല്ലേ? Guys, I'm so sorry. My Malayalam is not so fluent yet. I need to study more. To start with, I did not tell you in my introduction video, that is, എൻ്റെ മലയാളം ഇത്തിരി പോരാ. ഇവരൊക്കെയാണ്, I forgot to tell you also, he is my friend. He was my classmate. He is my buddy. He is my best friend. He is also like a brother to me. Well, ഇവരൊക്കെയാണ് എൻ്റെ മലയാളം ഒന്ന് ക്ലിയർ ആക്കി കൊണ്ടുവന്നത്, ടച്ച് അപ്പ് ചെയ്തത്. സോ എൻ്റെ മലയാളം ഇത്തിരി അലമ്പാണ്. പ്ലീസ് forgive me for that. But I will try to convey my message. എന്തായാലും that is not the topic here. So I will talk in English, and if you do not understand, please forgive me. But ഏകദേശം ഊഹിച്ചിട്ട് even കാര്യങ്ങൾ explain ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will understand. Yeah. Okay. So now the thing is, we have started a new program in our channel. Actually, we was planning to do a web series, but when we started, we had a lot of problems and all that due to the COVID conditions. So because of which we have kept it in a pause at the moment. That's also because I have few other crew members,
12.
but 12 crew members, yes, and all of them are in different locations. He's the only one who's closest to me because he's also my close friend. We came up with a plan, that is, we too will do
To entertain them.
yeah, we too will do a program for you guys to keep you entertained, and that's also known as, its title name is Two Buddies. Yeah. So when we are going to do this, we may face a lot of crisis. We will not be able to come up with every week or every day shoot, but we won't have a correct time. But if God wills, if God is with us, if you people can keep us in your prayer, we will keep you entertained in whatever ways. And also please pray for us, that both of us, I'm sure that almost everyone in my channel would be a God believer, and if God wills, both of us will be kept safe, because we are here to keep you entertained and always to keep that smile, that wide good smile on your face. So we would want to make our viewers very happy, so please keep us in our prayers. We may have a lot of problems here and there, so please do support us. So that is all for now.
Yes.
And I would love for all your comments. If you have anything to tell about, you want to give us any ideas, please keep it on the comment section here, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification bell. And that's for me. Now, second thing, since I am introducing one of my new my crew members, I would like Nijo to speak. He will introduce himself to you. So Nijo, tell about yourself.
എൻ്റെ പേര് നിജോ റാഫേൽ. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ BCom പഠിക്കുന്നു. നേരത്തെ SNVP പാസ് ഔട്ടാണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് SNVP പഠിച്ചാണ്. SNVP.
Thanks.
യെസ്. പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ ലോക്ക്ഡൗണൊക്കെയാണ്. ഞാൻ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഇവൻ്റെ കൂടെ കൂടിയേക്കണത് നിങ്ങളൊന്ന് എൻ്റർടൈൻ ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ ആണ്, അങ്ങനെ പരിപാടി. പിന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ പുതിയൊരു പരിപാടിയായിട്ട് വന്നേക്കണേന്. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും മാത്രമുള്ള, വേറെ ആരുമില്ല ഈ പരിപാടിക്ക്. ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും കൂടി തമ്മിച്ചാണ് പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തത്, സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് എഴുതി എല്ലാം ചെയ്തത് ഞങ്ങൾ തന്നെയാണ്.
അതിന്റെ പേര്
Two Buddies.
So ഇതിന്റെ കുറിച്ച് ചോദിച്ചാൽ, it's actually you can actually call this a sort of vlog. You can also call it a sort of web series. You can also call it a sort of lifestyle video. Yeah, because it's actually, the story is actually about two best friends, and it's all about how their life is going to be, how two friends are, how two brotherly friends are. And we are actually based in Cochin. So in Cochin Bhasha we have something called Chang. Chang means heart. So this is like a thing called about two chunks. So how their life is together, അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു type of story ആണ്. So please support us in every ways as possible, and we are actually aiming to get minimum 1,000 subscribers at the moment. That's our present target. So please help us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. There's a bell at the end, you just press that. If you turn on the notification bell, you will be able to be notified when a video is going to be released. So please do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Okay, so that's it for now.
Yes.
Hope to see you in the next upcoming videos.
Yes.
Love you all. Peace out. Bye bye.